Welcome back to Product Critique. In this video, we're diving into what we believe is the best Orca backpack available right now, the Orca 34L Military Tactical Backpack. If you're into hiking, camping, survival prepping, or just want a rugged, dependable everyday carry, this might just be the last backpack you ever need. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, the Orca 34L stands out with its robust and tactical design. At a glance, it's compact yet impressively spacious. The dimensions come in at 11 inches wide, 18 inches tall, and 12 inches deep. It gives you a total capacity of 34 liters, which is perfect for a 1 to 2 day adventure or mission. It doesn't feel bulky on your back, but it holds more than you'd expect. Whether you're heading out into the wilderness or using it as your go bag, it's got the right balance of portability and space. Now, let's talk build quality. The backpack is made of 600D polyester, which in real-world terms means it's tough. This thing is built to handle serious wear and tear. It's double-stitched at all stress points for reinforcement, which means it's not coming apart easily, even under rough conditions. The zippers are YKK, the gold standard in zippers, and they come with rust-resistant nylon pulls, making them glide smoothly every time. There's also a special coating on the exterior that gives it water resistance and scratch proofing. So, rain or rugged terrain? No problem. The backpack uses a MAL modular setup. If you're not familiar with MAL, it's a military webbing system that allows you to attach compatible pouches and gear externally. This gives you full customization depending on your loadout, hydration packs, first aid kits, flashlight holsters, it all fits. There are side compression straps to tighten your load and keep everything secure while you're on the move. No flopping or dangling gear here. Inside, you've got thoughtful organization. The main compartments are laid out in a way that keeps your gear accessible and well sorted. Whether you're packing clothes, tools, or emergency supplies, you won't be rummaging through a bottomless pit. There's space for a laptop, room for a 1.5L hydration bladder, and even setup for concealed carry if that's something you need. Comfort-wise, it's clear Orca didn't just design this to look good on a shelf. The shoulder straps are padded and double-stitched for strength. The back panel has ventilated mesh to prevent that sweaty back feel during long treks. And the waist straps are designed to stay put and help distribute the weight evenly, crucial for long hikes or bug-outs. What really sets the Orca 34L apart is its lifetime protection promise. This backpack isn't just sold as a one-time purchase, Orca Tactical backs it for life. That speaks volumes about the confidence they have in their product. So, who is this for? If you're a camper, hiker, survivalist, law enforcement, or military enthusiast, this pack is more than capable. It's equally at home in the woods, the desert, or an urban setting. And if you're just someone who wants a dependable everyday backpack with tactical features and rugged style, this one's for you too. All in all, the Orca 34L Military Tactical Backpack is a perfect blend of durability, comfort, modularity, and space. It's built for real-world use, and it delivers. That wraps up our deep dive into the best Orca backpack you can buy today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product breakdowns right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.